Guilty am I. Guilty am I of breeding pampered pooches alongside stray cats, or seeing our boys are becoming soft like Charmin and Flossie and immature dads instead of college grads, and our girls are hard and angry, overdeveloped and physically and mentally unable to dream of better possibilities. So I'm guilty. Guilty because I'm the young mommy that had that girl. Do you hear me? We are raising pampered pooches who think the world owes them because of their existence, who feel that the eyes that they receive are because they look so damn good. Truth of the matter is that my dime bought that year, gas your ride, and debit your lunch fund. Prince, my dear, what do you fear? Why come you can't become the man I want you to become? You can get your own paper. You don't have to lapdog me, mommy. See, you be putting up a fight for no reason at all. Why come you can't become the man I want you to become? See, I continue to do what I do for you. I don't see me weakening you, nor do I recognize the puppy in you until you flop and whine. From the thought of you working your own grind, please help me rest my mind. I digress. Oh, my girls, forgive me for allowing you to portray that stray cat. Feline femininity, truly as you give up your kitty so freely, you be forgetting your future opportunity. Searching for love, you searching for love in all the wrong places. I see, free your mind, claim your queendom. Press not medical's pause upon barking dog's daughter, princess. Please, you can do you. Mommy just wants you to let me help you too. See, I was you in a different day. I too gave gifts I could not Indian give away. I too thought I knew all of how I was gonna live. See, I too ran from love my mommy and daddy gave it again. But see, some of what you do today, I just can't make right.